Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a little tutorial on how to record your screen and capture your webcam at the same time. So you first want to go open up your Google Chrome and search for OBS. This is going to be the software that's going to capture the broadcast. So select Windows, Mac or Linux. I'm on a Windows. I'm going to go and cancel it because I've already got it. And yeah, so once you install, pretty basic to install, you can choose your source. So display capture would be your screen, and then your video capture device would be your webcam. And one little trick, if you go into your file settings, you can choose your video output, and I've got it on MP4. Yeah, you can toggle it when you're not recording, and probably select the one that your video editor will be able to handle. Cool.